konti. So, my favorite here is this kare-kare, and he's got bulgogi. Bulgogi, thank you. He's got bagoong, alamang, and he's got ano yan? Kimchi. Kimchi for the bulgogi. Okay. Thank you. And kare-kare is oxtail, peanut sauce with green beans, eggplants, and bok choy. And they have a lot of, because of the peanut, there's peanut sauce in here, peanut.
Sriracha.
Sriracha, ask them. Yeah, sriracha boy. Alamang. It's not shrimp, it's like meat with salty. Yummy. Very so yummy too. Bulgogi. So we're in Picanga at Pambu. They have Filipino food here. Bulgogi. Korean. Korean. May kare-kare. So, kare-kare. Yummy. My favorite here.